Hey there, world travelers. It's Tanya and Dave. You know, that crazy fun married travel couple from Turn It Up World. After our recent adventures in northern Arizona, boondocking, enjoying the great outdoors and the open roads in our rented van conversion, Dave and I are ready to start our adventure with our very own RV. And what better place to start that search than one of the largest RV shows in the world, the Florida RV Supershow 2021. Let the search begin.
Oh my God, you guys. Okay, so we made it. It was a very easy drive, but we made it. But right behind you, right behind you is the Florida State Fairgrounds.
That's right, home of the 2021 Tampa RV Supershow.
Seriously, we're not kidding. Look,
Yeah.
turn around.
Turn around. Okay, here we go.
Take a look.
Oh, wait a second. It's not open yet.
I know it's not open today, but you know what? We will see you tomorrow.
Oh yeah, it's everything, yeah. Exactly. Check out their Showhauler. That thing's a beast. I know, that's within our budget, I'm sure.
Now, since this is our very first RV show, we wasted no time hopping right in, starting out with this beautiful beast.
Welcome to the Showhauler. Talk about luxury meets industrial. This is crazy.
This is unbelievable.
Damn it, look at this guy.
This is amazing.
A really deep sink.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
A really nice top. Almost looks like a wood design. Of course, you got your induction cooktop. Regular sized microwave. Oh my goodness gracious.
Right?
Oh my goodness, tons of cabinetry space.
This is really nice. This is luxury.
These are magnets.
Look at these.
These kind of come together with a magnet. Wow, what a lock. Love, oh my gosh. Seriously?
Wow, this is beautiful.
Shower.
Nice shower.
Good size shower.
Yeah, nice shower. The height in here is awesome.
Super tall. I mean, look at that. Look at
There's
you.
so much out. I'm 6'2", and there's plenty of space. This has got to be like 6'8".
Oh my God. So remember that, the Showhauler.
Look at this.
Look at the sink.
Wow.
Oh man.
Bedroom. So luxurious.
Very luxurious. Tons of cabinetry. Great
Wow.
window space. Super soft.
Yeah.
Talk about an awesome bed test. That one just go.
Yeah,
whoosh.
this is awesome, actually.
Look at the wood.
And of course you have ducted, everything's ducted.
But you can't leave out this.
Oh wow,
You
you can't leave out that.
You got the washer and dryer.
Unbelievable.
Washer and dryer combo.
This place is unbelievable.
So it looks like a washer dryer combo.
Yeah, it's basically a 24-foot box is what we're dealing with.
Yeah.
Plus the cabins.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
What's the height? That's like great height there.
This is like a 7.5 foot.
Wow.
We go up to 8 foot, but not on. Kind of the idea. These are a little bit taller to begin with.
Yeah. Really nice quality.
What's up with the idea of it?
Wow.
I designed everything. I just
awesome.
come up with different colors.
You designed it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Showhauler does about 45 coaches a year, and I'll do about half of those coaches.
Now, do you have to have a CDL license or something like this? Or?
It kind of depends upon what state you're in. Some states will require an air brake endorsement. You won't need a CDL per se. The only time you would need equivalent to a CDL would be if you're towing a trailer over 10,000 pounds.
Yeah, this is pretty.
So what does something like this tend to run?
Our coaches will run anywhere from about 400 to about 600.
Oh my God!
For a true custom, I mean.
Yeah, this is incredible.
We'll build anything you want. So, nothing out here. There's not a single unit out here on the market that's true custom. So if you're like, hey Darren, I have to have this in a walk around bed. So obviously we're gonna have to make it 2 foot longer. So we can make it 2 foot longer. Or you could say, hey, look, I'm fine with that, but I just want a king size bed. So we can make it basically go from a 60-inch wide bed to a 72-inch wide bed. So everything's custom. We built them with a flip down bunk. Several of them that had a support coming up, no cabinets, had a flip down bunk.
Wow.
So it's the need of individuals. Obviously, if it's family, the bunks make a lot of sense. If you're traveling family, might have sections designed out for pets.
Yeah.
Like
all of the furniture is customizable as well. So, if you wanted 2 dinettes, if you wanted 2 couches, if you wanted a fold-out couch, if you want a jackknife couch, everything. Down to our trim work. So if you want kind of like a contoured trim, the cabinets, if you wanted more of a traditional race panel. All of that is custom.
I'm loving that.
And how long does the process take from say start to finish? It must
That's
vary
the
a
tough
lot.
part.
Yeah,
That's the tough part. Right about 1 year.
Yeah, that makes sense with all the because you're really like designing a house, but it's much more complex in a sense because
Wow.
get everything right in a smaller space.
At least with this, you don't need the permits.
Well, that's true. Yeah, that's true.
You know, this one is just built with just a vinyl floor as opposed to tile floor. Just the idea is this thing's going to be jostling around.
Right.
Same for
This is high traffic, so you don't want to.
fiberglass shower in this, but most of the units we do will be a tile shower. But just there again, the idea on something that kind of gets jostled a lot more was not to worry about broken tiles on floors, broken tiles in the shower.
And what powers this thing?
This is a Cummins ISL. It's 370 horsepower, 1,250 foot-pounds of torque. So a lot of the diesel pushers out here that are 45 foot will have the exact same engine.
Got it, okay.
This one, this is the first international cab that we've done. It's a little bit nicer cab itself. The downfall to this international is we can't cut in the top of it. So if this was if this was a Freightliner, we can actually cut all the way, like the opening would be all the way here.
Give you more space.
And then we can actually do a little flip up. So you essentially walk in and just be able to plop your rear on either side there.
Right.
So a lot more access. It just kind of depends upon preference. You know, the nice thing about this, in really cold environments, really hot environments, we have these.
Seal it off.
That's what these two panels are for right there. So if you're in negative 20 degrees,
major installation there. Yeah.
You see the size of the panels? They're like insulation.
Right.
And
you big time.
that's
same
amazing.
for up here. I need to pull this out.
Oh yeah, look at that insulation. That's awesome.
So a little, escape hatch to be able to. If you want to go out and photograph something, if you need to get up on the roof.
Can you go up on the roof and can you sit up on the roof or is it you can? Wow.
100%.
That's awesome. This is amazing.
The all lithium ion, the lithium ion battery bank is below the couch there. Just keep it out of the weather and stuff.
Yes, of course.
Now, although this beautiful beast, the Showhauler 4x4 Overland Coach, was way out of our price range, it doesn't hurt to dream big. Besides, some of you watching this might be totally interested in checking this out, and we were happy to show you. All right, on to the next.
I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got.